How to set up Twitch alerts. Let's get started. For that, open up your browser. In the search bar, search for twitch.com and then log into your account. Once logged in, you want to go ahead and simply tap on your profile icon right over here. Then select Create Your Dashboard. Now you want to go ahead and simply tap on Alerts. Then select Create Alert Box. Now inside here, choose the alert type you want, like follows, subscription, gifted subs, hype trains, and many more. Tap on the one that you would like to customize, and from here you can change its alert name, layout, position, text and speech, visual and sound, celebration, and many more. Once everything is done, you can simply tap on Preview Alerts or Send Test Alert to make sure it looks the way you want. Now, copy the browser URL right over here, copy it, open up your Streamlabs. Then inside here, you can simply tap on this plus icon, then select Browser. After that, simply tap on Add Source, and just like that, you want to go ahead and simply paste the browser source right over here. Give it a name if you want, then just like that, leave the default width and height unless you need to change them. After that, you can go ahead and simply return to Twitch, and then you can click on Preview Alert to make sure everything is working correctly. That's it. Your Twitch alert are now set up and ready to use with Streamlabs desktop. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.